How to fix WhatsApp not opening on your iPhone. So if you can't open WhatsApp or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and load up the settings on your iPhone. And then you can scroll down and click on General. Scroll down again and click on Background App Refresh and select Background App Refresh. Make sure you have Wi-Fi and mobile data turned on like this, and then come back over to the previous window. Now just scroll down the list of applications and make sure you have WhatsApp turned on like you see here. Once you've done this, come back over to the previous window and now scroll up and click on iPhone Storage. You'll then need to scroll down the list of apps until you see WhatsApp and click on this. Now press Offload App and click on Offload. After a couple of seconds, you can press Reinstall App. You can then head back over to the home screen and try loading up WhatsApp, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, then just go and hold your finger down on WhatsApp like so. You can then press Remove App and just press Delete App. Once it's been deleted, go and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Go and use the search box to type in WhatsApp, and you'll just need to reinstall WhatsApp onto your iPhone. Once it's finished reinstalling, you should be able to open and start using WhatsApp.